Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you the location of your fill and drain plug on a front differential on a 2015 Jeep Wrangler with a 3.6 liter. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So the check and fill plug is in the front of the differential, and it's usually just a 3/8 ratchet. You can fit it right in there. Just loosen it up. Make sure your vehicle's leveled so the fluid doesn't pour out on you. So you just pull the plug out and you want to see it just a little bit come out like that. You don't want it pouring out. It can even drip less than that. And then just check your color of it. Looks nice and clean. It actually looks like somebody just drained and filled this. Speaking of draining, the drain plug of it is right over here. So the cool thing is you don't have to take that front cover off. You can just drain and fill this anytime you need to. Tighten it up and clean the area.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.